The second India-Australia 2+2 dialogue was held in New Delhi this evening. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar co-chaired the 2+2 dialogue with Australian Defence Minister Richard Marles and Foreign Affairs Minister Penny Wong. Campaigning for assembly elections in Rajasthan has reached the feverish pitch as only 3 days are left for it. Rescue operations are on the way in war footing to rescue 41 workers trapped in the collapsed Silyara tunnel in the Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. The first ever Global Fisheries Conference in India 2023 kicked off at Science City in Ahmedabad today in the presence of Union Minister of Fisheries Parshuttam Rupala, Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel. India's squad for 5-match series of T20 internationals with Australia has been announced.